Greetings and welcome to the second annual Black Sustainability Online Summit. My name is Reverend Dr. Alannah Estar, and I am the founder of the Women's Resource Center for Training and Development and Axum University and the co-founder of Marcus Garvey Pan-African University. And I want to invite you to this wonderful session to learn about the Exodus Project. Greetings and welcome to the Exodus Project. The Exodus Project is about helping us to rebuild our Aboriginal societies in honor of Marcus Messiah Garvey, where we will implement health, healing, retirement, and educational conference learning center for those of you who are Aboriginal, indigenous peoples of this land, and others. We are gathering this nature village group, Aboriginal group, in the homeland of Marcus Messiah Garvey of Jamaica. Jamaica is most famous not only for Marcus Messiah Garvey, but it has a history of revolutionary activity, such as those like Queen Mother Nanny of the Maroon. Jamaica is a wonderful, mystical island that has a foundation of revolution, free liberty for Aboriginal indigenous people. And it is my hope that you will join us. Can't you see what time it is? It is time to Exodus. Look inside, and we hope to be able to enlighten you about this wonderful adventure that's taking place. We are recruiting to assist people in relocation now. If you want to be a part, then join the movement and get on board, because this Black Star liner is filling up fast, and we only have so many spaces available. The purpose of the Exodus Project is to establish an Aboriginal, Indigenous, African nature village in Jamaica, where we will repair the damage done to us by going through a healing from post-traumatic enslavement disorder, post-traumatic religious disorder, and the Willie Lynch syndrome before we make that transition to Africa. We heal, empower, train, and develop you to run your own different ministries as ordained health ministers through our Jamaica College of Wellness, where we offer leadership, training, and opportunity for wellnesspreneur and spiritualpreneurs to develop and earn a valuable living while living abroad. All of our projects are offered under the auspices of Umayat Spiritual Education Circle for Self-Realization. Umayat is a natural health ministry provided to the African diaspora for the healing and restoration of our people as indigenous, Aboriginal people of these lands. Still unclear about the Exodus Project? It's a relocation mission of Umayat Spiritual Education for Self-Realization. Umayat is a non-profit organization and spiritual, non-religious church. Many of the projects that we will host in Jamaica will be in conjunction with establishing an actual campus of the Jamaica College of Wellness. This is not our first project. This is not our first community development. Our accomplishments consist of founding Afrocentric educational institutions in Ethiopia, Uganda, America, and Jamaica. However, our long-term goal has always been to establish an Aboriginal village. We have land in Ghana, Uganda, and Jamaica. Now is the time to start building. Over the past 18 years, I have been called by my ancestors back and forth to Jamaica to clarify and establish this vision, which began in Mount Zion, Jamaica in 1999. One village has already been established in Jamaica. We are establishing this village particularly for expatriates of the Americas. Free liberty is yours for the taking. Many of you have been on conference calls for years talking about repatriation, black consciousness, and everything else. Well, it's time to stop talking and it's time to get moving. Because this Black Star liner is loading up. And if you want to be free, it's time to get on board. If you really are serious about joining the Exodus Project, here's what you need to do. Go to our site, become a member, contribute your talents, finances, and services to purchase shares onto the land, donate to purchase sustainable off-grid solar power devices so that you can build your land, grow organic food, and work with us to create cooperative eco-businesses. We're ready for you. Third, choose your sustainable housing design and begin to make donations towards it. Be willing to relocate and make visits to ensure the project is successful and ready to receive you and your family. And we'll talk more about the opportunities we have this summer for you to begin to be the change you want to see. This is just one of the many housing designs that we have available that one of our members in particular is interested in building with super adobe earth bag construction. This summer, during the months of July to September, we are encouraging you, if you want to know more about building a sustainable community, we're encouraging you to sign up for our course. We're also encouraging you to not just take our course online, but also to get hands-on experience by joining us in Jamaica this summer. In addition to having a course for adults, we are also hosting a Jamaica Youth Earth Building Applied Eco Building experience. So bring the family, make it a family affair, and work with your children to become self-sufficient. Here's some reasons that you should think about sending your youth to learn and build with us in the beautiful country of Jamaica. Youths will camp, learn to build and grow in an Aboriginal indigenous environment where competition is turned into cooperation. Bullying will be turned into love. If you ever wanted your youth away from the television, gaming, skateboard, and modern society to truly learn what it means to be self-sufficient, then this camp is for them. Because Umayat Spiritual Education Circle is a health ministry, we are also putting together next month our Voices of Wellness magazine. So maybe you don't want to be a part of the Exodus Project, but maybe you've got some wonderful words of Aboriginal words of wisdom and healing. We are inviting you to submit articles to our Voices of Wellness magazine. Another project of Umayat Spiritual Education Circle is the International Aboriginal Women's Wellness Conference on Tour, the first of which will be held in Jamaica in June of 2018. This conference will be traveling to 7 different Aboriginal countries over a 7-year period. To find out more, contact us at teachawoman2healus@gmail. teachawoman2healus@gmail. I've said enough to give you enough information about the different projects that we offer through Umayat Spiritual Education Circle for Self-Realization, the Exodus Project, which is about building the Aboriginal Nature Village, as well as the projects we have this summer and ongoing. This train is filling up, and we want you to be a part of the change that we want to see in the world. Don't complain about the presidential game. Just get on board this ship, the Black Star liner, because we're filling up. It's time to Exodus, the Matrix. Hotep, Namaste. I look forward to building the new nation with you.